Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm Matt, this is Volkswagen T4, and today we're actually going to be doing some prep work, and in this prep work it's going to involve some filler and blocking, things that I'm no good at. And unfortunately the painter, Craig, he does all our filler work here, he does all of it. He's again off today, so he's left me on my own. He just said mix up some filler, chuck it on the doors and then block it down. So this door, I have already blocked it down. I did fill it last night, blocked it this morning. There's still a few bits that need some more filler, and I'll block that. So I'm just going to mix up some filler now. I can then, while this is hardening, I'm going to do another door. I've got another door somewhere down there. I've got another door down there that also needs some more filler work, which the filler's now gone off, and that just needs blocking back. So that's the plan for today. We did, well, I say we, off camera, I've prepped all the other panels. I have actually recorded doing one of the panels, which yeah, I'll show you in a bit, all the prep, and we'll talk through all of that, all of the sandpaper, everything that I'm using. We'll go through that, through the time lapse that I've got set up, that I've already done. So yeah, we've got quite a lot of work to get on with. All these shows are starting and coming up, and I haven't even got the van anywhere near ready, and I want to be taking it with me. So let's chuck some of this filler on. With the bonnet removed, we begin the prep work. First, I thoroughly clean the surface to remove any dirt and debris. Now we have a nice clean panel, we can move on to the next stage. The next stage is using a red Scotch pad. I used the Scotch pad to scuff up the paint to ensure a better adhesion for the primer. I briefly swapped over to a die grinder with a sanding disc just to quickly remove any serious surface rust that I thought needed addressing. Then I switched to a DA sander, smoothing out the entire surface for a clean finish. To protect against future rust, I apply Built Hamper Hydrate 80, focusing on the areas we've just exposed. After that, I go over the missed spots with a wire wheel, ensuring every inch is prepped. Flipping the panel over, we have a nice lovely flat surface, so we're able to complete this using just the DA. For this I am using 320 grit sandpaper. Now I'm just quickly going around with some 320 soft pad just to get into all these little areas that I wasn't able to reach with the DA. Moving on to the barn door, I meticulously block and sand it to achieve a perfectly flat surface. To start off with, on the long block I was using 120 grit, and then on the small block I was just using 320. Right, let's have a look and see where we're at. So I've spent the best part of today just blocking, putting a bit of filler on, blocking again, trying to get these as good as possible, and you can see the mess that it makes. So I'm going to have to stop soon and have a good clean up of the area. But we are getting there. This door, all the fillering's done apart from this area here. I'm not 100% happy with it. I want it to be perfect. So yeah, we're just going to keep going, a little bit more filler. This door, bits of filler that were required have now been rubbed down, looking good. Obviously I've still got the sliding door to do, and this door as well isn't bad at all. So we've gone over it and it looks nice and flat. So hopefully, you know, once it goes into paint, that door will be good. That one should be good. And still a little bit more work on these two. The bonnet and some other bits are already etch primed, so Craig's cracking on with that. So yeah, we're getting things done. We're getting things moving. But yeah, also in the workshop, the Beetle is now an etch primer. We've got some high build filler as well. So you've got the high build paint, and also like a filler spray. So yeah, all of that's going on, and that'll be done soon, hopefully. Yeah, I think we're going to leave it for there for now. Prep is long. Okay. So join me next week when hopefully Craig will be back and we can get the T4 all painted up. That is the plan. Oh yeah, I also forgot the wings etch primer, front panel. Right, I better get them out. I better get moving. Get them out of the workshop, out of the oven, get everything tidied up. Right, I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Right, we're done. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.